Cranberries, a staple in holiday feasts, hold a prestigious place not only in culinary traditions but also in medicinal folklore. Known scientifically as Vaccinium macrocarpon, cranberries grow primarily in the cooler regions of the Northern Hemisphere and are renowned for their vibrant red color and unique tart flavor. We will look at the growth, habitat, identification, and various medicinal uses of cranberries, emphasizing their role in traditional and modern medicine. Growth and habitat. Cranberries thrive in bogs and wetlands across northeastern United States, Canada, and parts of Europe. These perennial plants prefer acidic, peat soil and often grow in areas that have been glaciated. You can find varieties that are more heat-tolerant, but it's best to grow them in partial shade to mostly shady areas and protect them from summer heat with shade cloth. The unique environment allows for the collection and layering of organic materials, providing an ideal substrate for cranberry growth. Commercial cultivation involves flooding the fields, bogs, during harvest to facilitate the floating of berries for easier collection. Lookalikes. Cranberries can be mistaken for small, unripe fruits of the Vaccinium genus, like blueberries or lingonberries. However, cranberries are distinguished by their firmer texture, deeper red color when ripe and larger, more pronounced calyx at the fruit's end. Identification. Cranberries feature evergreen leaves that are small, oval, and dark green, with a leathery texture. The flowers are dark pink, with a distinctive reflexed petal shape that resembles the head of a crane, hence the name cranberry. The fruit is a hard red berry that ripens in late fall. Edible parts and uses. Traditionally consumed as a sauce or juice, cranberries are a popular culinary ingredient, especially in desserts and preserves. Raw cranberries are intensely tart, but when cooked with sugar, they transform into a rich, flavorful concoction. The juice is often used as a base for beverages and cocktails. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Cranberries are most famous for their application in preventing and treating urinary tract infections, UTIs. The berries contain compounds that prevent the adhesion of bacteria, like E. coli, to the lining of the urinary tract. Beyond UTIs, cranberries contribute to cardiovascular health by improving blood vessel function and reducing blood pressure. They also possess properties that may help treat respiratory bacterial infections and prevent the formation of peptic ulcers by inhibiting certain bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori from adhering to the stomach lining. Emerging research suggests cranberries have anti-tumor and anti-cancer effects, potentially linked to their high levels of antioxidants and other phytochemicals. These compounds can inhibit the growth and proliferation of tumors, showcasing the berry's promising therapeutic potential. Warnings. Cranberries contain salicylic acid, an active ingredient in aspirin. Individuals allergic to aspirin should avoid cranberries to prevent reactions. Moreover, cranberries can interact with blood thinners like warfarin, Coumadin. Their ability to alter blood clotting could potentiate the effect of such medications, necessitating caution and consultation with healthcare providers. The cranberry is a remarkable fruit with extensive applications in both culinary and medical fields. Its role in treating various ailments, coupled with its delicious taste, makes it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. However, as with any medicinal food, awareness of its interactions and potential adverse effects is crucial for safe consumption. Embracing the benefits while acknowledging the limitations allows us to harness the full potential of this powerful berry in both traditional and contemporary medicinal practices.